In the year 2020, Cred's total spending was 378 crore rupees, while its revenue was just 52 lakh rupees. Thus, for every rupee that Cred earned in revenue, it spent 727 rupees as an expenditure. Yes, that huge were the losses of Cred in 1 year alone. Yet it is regarded as one of the smartest startups in India in the current day, and it has a valuation of $2.2 billion within 2 years of its formation. And its founder Kunal Shah considers it not just a fintech startup but rather a lifestyle startup. Hi guys, my name is Prateek and welcome to Business Minded. In April 2021, Cred raised $215 million from its new investor Falcon Edge Capital and its existing investor Cotio Management, which raised its valuation to a whopping $2.2 billion. Doesn't it fascinate you why all these investors are backing such a loss-making startup with so much cash? In order to understand that, let's first understand what does Cred do. We all know who is Indira Nagar ka Gunda. But do you know who's the real Gunda of the fintech world? What Cred does basically is it helps you pay your credit card bills on time so that you can avoid the hidden charges, the late fees and high interest due to forgetfulness. So you just give the access to your email to Cred and they pay the bills on your behalf in time so that you can avoid the hassle of remembering the due dates. Not just that, it also gives you Cred coins on every transaction, and these Cred coins you can use to get discounts in your future purchases. Sounds too good to be true? It probably is. However, while doing all of this, Cred also does make some money through different means. We can have a look at how Cred makes money, the different ways in which Cred makes money in short in the next section. The most simple way in which Cred makes money is through a platform called Cred Stash, where it basically offers personal loans to people. It is very much similar to giving personal loan except for the hassle of documentation and collaterals, which makes real personal loans a tasteless experience. Cred offers this loan to its users through an easy process in just a few clicks and in just a few minutes. Most of Cred's users are city-dwelling millennials who have high incomes and have high credit scores, higher than 750. So these are the people who have the money and who have a good history of clearing their credits and their debts. This is an elite class of users any company can have, and Cred offers them loans and earns money in the form of interest or commissions from third-party financial institutions. Next, Cred also has partnership with many direct-to-customer brands, and the huge amount of traffic that Cred is getting on its platform due to a lot of these free services, Cred can use that to sell these affiliate products to them and can earn a lot of affiliate commission from them. Having high quality traffic of elitist users who have the money and who like to spend the money is a really powerful thing to have. So Cred has platforms like Discover and Win on which it shows its users many exciting and attractive products, and if they choose to purchase these, Cred makes a hefty commission from these brands. Cred also has a payment platform called Cred Pay, which you can use to make payments on your purchases, and Cred makes some percent of commission on that as well. Having heard about all that, you must be wondering that the money made from all of these different sources cannot be that high. Then why is Cred the hotcake of so many million-dollar investments? Well, the real genius of Cred's business model, the masterpiece of the plan, is changing the behavioral pattern of its target customers and getting them hooked up to the convenience of their apparently wonderful service at a cheap or no cost at all. Once the users are habituated to this app, it's hard for them to stop using it. I'll explain this with an example. Like in the 1990s, people used to remember the phone numbers, but today hardly anyone does that because everyone uses the contacts features of their mobile phones. Similarly, before the 2010s, people used to remember the pathways, but now everyone uses Google Maps, so hardly anyone remembers the roads. Similarly, once people are hooked up to the convenience of not bothering to pay their credit card bills on time, they can't live without a service like this. Also, there is another important concept that I want to remind you. If you're getting a product, an apparently wonderful product, for free, then most probably you are the product. Yes, my friends, platforms like Cred have an unlimited access to a lot of your data, and the most powerful type of your data is your financial and your spending patterns. Thus, Cred knows that Deepika likes to spend more money on fashion while Deepak likes to spend more money on food, and they can leverage this information to make billions of dollars in future. Guys, data is the new oil. What makes companies like Google, Facebook, Microsoft the most powerful entities of the world today? It is their huge stash of data of their users. Once Cred has data about your spending patterns and even the information like which products you spend more time looking at on their platforms, they can very well understand what class of products you are interested in. And they can show you that class of products, the right kind of products for you, the kind of products you are most probably willing to buy. This is the essence of digital marketing, and digital marketing has a market potential of billions of dollars in the coming year. A brand as versatile as Cred can have multitude of options to grow. Having a ready user base of high income and high credit score users, it can easily become a full-fledged bank and make a lot of money from its lending business. It can even become a full-fledged shopping platform. It can have products from multiple affiliate brands on its platform and make money selling them. It can even become a full-fledged social media platform, connecting people with similar interests, similar lifestyles, similar social class. Thus, the buzzword lifestyle startup. So that's all we have for this episode of Business Minded. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. That will tell the YouTube algorithm that these videos are helpful. That way it will reach more and more people and help more and more people through the YouTube algorithm. Thanks for watching.